In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in GIMP in just 5 minutes. GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is an open-source graphics editor that is widely used for image editing and tasks like blending images to create seamless visuals. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you achieve smooth and professional-looking results. First, you'll need to open your GIMP application and import the images you want to blend. Start by clicking on File in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Open as Layers. This option allows you to choose the images you'd like to work with, ensuring they appear as separate layers in your project. Simply navigate through your files and select the 2 images you're planning to blend. Once they are opened, they will be stacked in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Now, take a look at the Layers panel. You'll want to identify and click on the top images layer, as this is the image you're going to work on first. Selecting the correct layer is an essential step because it tells GIMP which image to edit. If they're not organized correctly, feel free to drag them in the list until they are. Once you have your top layer selected, it's time to choose the Eraser tool. You'll notice this tool displayed as an icon resembling an eraser, located on the left side of the interface in the toolbox. Click the icon to activate it. The Eraser tool is what you'll use to carefully blend the edges of the top image into the background or into the image below, creating a smooth transition between the two. With your eraser ready, gently begin erasing the edges of the top image. This technique allows the image beneath it to beautifully fade in, giving the impression of a seamless composition. You can adjust the eraser size and opacity in the tool options to fit your specific needs. Larger sizes can quickly remove bigger sections, while smaller sizes and decreased opacity allow for more precision. Don't hesitate to experiment with these settings to find what works best for your images. Finally, your masterpiece is complete, and it's time to save your blended image. To do this, click on File again, and choose Export As from the drop-down menu. This feature allows you to save your file in a variety of formats, perfect for whatever your project requires. Specify the name and format of your file, then click Export. There you have it, a beautifully blended image, all done in GIMP in just a few moments. By following these easy steps, you can blend images like a pro, enhancing your projects with visually stunning effects. Thanks for watching and happy editing!